Hi, I'm Kyle Vanderveer. I'm the founder of Intrism, and in this video, I'm going to go over everything you need to know about Intrism Mini and more. Let's start with what you get in the box. It includes 6 wooden sheets, 6 pieces of acrylic, a marble, and assembly guide. It's 130 pieces in total, and you don't need glue or tools at all. We have the assembly guide available in the box and a digital version available online and in other languages as well. To build a model into this, you'll follow the assembly guide and punch out all the pieces and snap them together. The way the pieces just click together is so satisfying, and we've done so much testing to make sure that building this from start to finish is a great experience. Once the wooden part of the marble maze is complete, the display case is built using the 6 acrylic panels that come in the box. You just peel off the film from both sides of the acrylic and then snap it together. Then you'll also snap together the display stand so that you can show it off like this. Once you put it together, you're only halfway done. You still have the marble maze to solve. To start the marble maze, you roll the marble to the start right here. There's a little wooden lead in here to get the marble right to the start, and then you can follow the arrows on the marble maze as you navigate through. Intrism Mini isn't just a marble maze, it's a dexterity challenge. Your goal is to keep it on track. If the marble falls off, you have to start over. But for Intrism Mini, we've broken down the 50 obstacles included in the marble maze into 3 levels. This means that if you get to a checkpoint, if the marble falls off the track after that, you can resume back at that checkpoint. This makes the marble maze much more approachable, so if you were looking at something like Intrism Pro and it seems daunting, Intrism Mini might be the one for you. If you get stuck at any point and you're not sure where the marble needs to go, we do have a full video showing the Intrism Mini solution available on our website or on YouTube. Once you're done with it, display Intrism Mini on its display stand and put it on a desk or shelf. It's super eye-catching. Anyone who comes by and sees it is going to want to play with it, and then you can challenge them to see how far they can get in the marble maze. Between all of our models, if you're looking for the puzzle that has the perfect blend of being challenging yet approachable, this is the one for you.